This is how to tie a dropper loop knot, a useful knot for adding a stinger hook to the middle of your line and one of the easiest knots for making high-low rigs. A big advantage of the dropper loop knot is you don't need access to the tag end of your fishing line to tie it. I strongly recommend learning this knot over buying pre-tied rigs because you'll save money and be able to tie custom-sized rigs in no time that perform better than the pre-tied ones. How to tie a dropper loop knot. To tie a dropper loop knot, first, form a loop with your line. The bigger the loop, the longer the stinger line will be. When I rig a high-low rig with dropper loop knots, I usually make loops between 6 and 12 inches across. Next, grab each side of the loop where the lines are overlapping each other. While holding these spots, twist the overlapping lines 6 to 10 times. More twists creates a stronger knot and helps with stiffness of your final rig, which can help keep the bait presentation 90 degrees from your main line. Once you've completed your twists, take the opposite side of the loop and pull it through the middle of the twists. Pull the loop through and start pulling the knot tight. You should end up with a stiff knot with a loop sticking 90 degrees off your main line. You can add a hook to the dropper loop by taking your loop through the eye of your hook and then over the hook itself. Next, I have a few tips and tricks for the dropper loop knot. But first, make sure to check out our website, joranaventures.com, for a free download of our quick reference knot tying ebook with helpful step-by-step diagrams for tying this knot and many more. We also sell waterproof knot tying sticker reminders that are perfect to slap on a tackle organizer or a water bottle. Dropper loop tips and tricks. If you don't like a loop coming off your main line, a little trick is to clip one side of the loop. This gives you a single, longer stinger line that you can directly tie a hook onto. Another trick is to do a bunch of twists when tying the loop. What this does is makes the knot stiffer, which helps keep the rig at a 90 degrees in the water and helps with bait presentation. In conclusion, the dropper loop knot is a useful knot for adding a stinger line for rigs like high-low rigs because you don't need access to your tag end to tie the knot. This knot is super easy to tie and allows anglers to make custom rigs that both save money compared to pre-tied rigs and perform better. Make sure to check out our website for waterproof knot stickers and a quick reference knot tying ebook with useful diagrams. Hopefully this video helped expand your fishing knot knowledge.